On today's episode of WatchJRGo, we are back in the shop with...
Hi guys.
Amber's MDX. What is going on, guys? I'm WatchJRGo, and today, like I said, we are back with Amber's MDX, and today she brought parts for her car. So in the last video, of course, we did a little bit of troubleshooting, and we found out that there are a bunch of broken wires in the door harness right here that runs into the like the power distribution module. They call it the MICU in the Acuras here, which is the multiplexing integrated control unit. And basically, there's data lines coming out of the door, and they're coming over here, and they're broken. Let's take a look right here. We want to see those broken wires that I showed you last time, so you can see what we're getting into. And right there, you can see that white wire's broke, and honestly, somebody shoved a bunch of goo in there. I don't know if the factory did that or what, but whatever happened there is covering up any other wires that might be broken as well. So, you got parts for us?
Yeah, whatever they delivered from eBay.
Okay. Perfect. It actually does look like that's the part, and this was only like $35 versus
$120.
$120
from Acura. Yeah.
And it does look like, well, this part's easy to do. This part might be quite a bit harder, but
well, I'm glad that looks easy for you, because yeah,
we're gonna climb in here and see what we can do. So I'm gonna get your seat moved back, and obviously I think we're already here in the door. This is actually a quick and easy fix in the door side. We just push down on this tab and pull, but also, good luck. It does not want to come out. It's like a three-hand job. Got it. All right, that is crazy. All the weird, looks like peanut butter. I know it's probably silicone grease, but it looks like peanut butter.
that's gross.
All right, Amber, I should let you do the rest of this. Are you ready?
What do you want me to do?
Just remove the wire harness.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I just rip it out? I mean, we don't need it.
I actually do think.
Do I need to like manhandle it?
No, I'll do it for you. Let's look.
Okay. Well,
let's look real quick. All right, so we've got snaps, 4 snaps, top, bottom, side, side, and I don't know. We might just pry on it, or we might just yank really hard.
Do people normally have to take the door off to do that?
No, the door is a huge pain to take off of anything. So I think we're gonna just jump in here with a long screwdriver and try to pry on it, because it's not coming out easily, that's for sure. The one thing you might be able to do to make your life easy here is remove this door stop, right? If you take out that bolt, it'll open the door a little more sometimes, but we're just gonna try to not do that and pry on it. Ah, there we go.
Wow, right after you said that.
Yeah, well, it broke all of the tabs.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, I mean, it's going in the trash,
Okay.
so everything's fine. We're not too worried about it. So now, I just have to get in here and unhook it from the module. So it's the first 2 green connectors by the door, and it's almost impossible to get your arms in here, but you can do it. I showed you guys this in the last video. If you want to see what it looks like under here, you can definitely jump back and get a quick view of these connectors, but pretty simple to do. It's 2 connectors for the door. I thought it was a 1 originally, but it's actually split, but it's pretty obvious where they come from. There we go. There we go. Right after the 2 connectors, you got that guy right there, and it doesn't want to come out either. So I'm just gonna pull very hard. We got it.
Yay!
I think it broke, but
Oh.
I mean, that's good. We're not too worried about it breaking.
Okay.
You know, you just might not have a door after this. I don't know if I'm gonna have any luck getting this back in.
Oh, sounds like another video.
Here, I'm gonna try to tie some wire on it.
Okay.
Before I lose it forever. But we're right at the point where it's gotta go into the abyss, and it goes up after that, so it's kind of hard to actually get in here with a new one. All right, now we have a fishing wire tied on here just in case I lose everything. It might happen.
Have you done this before? The fact that you thought about doing, you know, connecting the fishing wires.
Oh, I've lost plenty of wires before,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Plenty of wires. So that's why I just went ahead and did it. We got it.
Yay!
Look at that. Well, here's the broken one. It's factory, isn't it? It looks like it is. I really can't tell if there's more than one broken wire in there. But
Ooh, it is really gooey.
yeah, some of the craziest stuff I've ever seen.
That's gross.
It is super gross. It looks like.
Why would it be like that?
It looks like peanut butter. A lot of times you put grease in there to try to keep water out, right? The petroleum displaces water, so
Yeah.
that's what happens. So let's hook this up and see what we can do.
You have no idea. I'm gonna be so excited to like unlock my doors.
Oh, I bet. I would be too. I would be too.
Yeah.
So, ooh, get back here. Get back here. Okay, so. Wait a minute. Are you kidding me? Is this used? Are you kidding me? Alright, I think you should take pictures of this and start leaving bad feedback now.
To eBay?
Yeah, look at this. This is the new one.
Yeah, I ordered the exact one that you sent me.
It said brand new.
Okay.
Look. It's all 8 through.
So that's probably not even gonna last?
On the most important wire, the ground. I don't know if it's not gonna last, but this is used. This is not new at all. Not even a little bit new. All of these listings said they were new. Let's take pictures of this so you can say that it wasn't new. The grease is on this one too. It's covered in it.
Okay.
But the wires aren't broken yet, so I think we're gonna go ahead and put it in.
See, and like I thought it looked dirty, but
It does look
what
dirty.
do I know about parts and stuff? Like,
Yeah, it looks...
could it have been sitting on a shelf for a long time and I wouldn't have known?
No, this is just used.
Okay.
But it's OEM, actually.
All right. Well,
Now we know.
do you have a camera?
All right, guys, you can see we've got the connectors into the car here. It takes quite a while fishing. Like, it's not a hard job, but it does take quite a while. We've got all that into the car now, so all we have left to do is hook everything back up. So down here in the door frame, we can just snap this guy back into place, and it should pop right back in. Oh,
Nice.
not bad at all, not bad. Down here on the door itself, snap in the connector that matters. There, we got that. And there's 2 clips on the boot.
Okay.
Boot's installed. It even has an up arrow, so that's nice. Oh, it actually has a letter on each side, left and right. Huh. Interesting. Okay.
Nice of them.
So now I just have to head back inside. For the last piece, we have to hook up these 2 connectors. And the tabs go down on both of them. Let's see if we've got this. There's one. And I hope this fixes all your problems.
You know, me too.
I know you do too. Door locks are pretty cool to have.
I mean, especially with kids. Poor Cody's like always wait. Well, now that it's cold out, they're literally waiting outside of the car for me to get in, climb over seats to unlock the doors.
Uh-huh. All right. I gotta snap in this little retainer, but everything else is hooked up. So I guess before I do that, that doesn't come back out easily. You want to test it?
All right, here we go.
Actually, doesn't. I guess I was gonna say your remote, but you can.
No,
try
well,
it.
the remote works. Hold on, it unlocks.
Does
It doesn't lock.
Oh.
No.
Does it normally not lock?
I mean, normally when everything's working properly, it does.
Oh, it might.
So-
It might still be broken.
I've been able to unlock my car with this, but
Let's keep trying. Let's keep trying. Go ahead. Even less stuff works now. Are you kidding me? What's going on with it? Is Chuck TPMS, no errors though?
well,
Is it this? This doesn't make any sense.
the other side. The other side was unlocked.
Maybe
Now this doesn't work either.
nothing
And
works
this
now?
was working.
Oh, wow. All right, it's all unhooked. Go try that door again and let's see what happens. This was literally listed as brand new.
Nothing.
Nothing
Now
works?
it doesn't even work. It's like we're going backwards.
Maybe we need to clear the codes first. It might be actually locked out.
Okay.
So I'll plug.
That can happen. It can lock you out. Okay, let's just hope you're right.
Yeah, it doesn't normally happen, that's for sure. Well, guys, I pulled up the exact listing that I sent to Amber for her to buy, and here it is. And actually, the price went down quite a bit, right? You paid like $35.
Yeah. That's awesome.
And condition new, unopened, undamaged. And what we got is fully used, removed from another Acura.
I mean, did you see the box it came in?
Yeah, the box looked beat.
Yeah,
it looked beat.
No, it looks like somebody wrapped it in tape just.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe it was a return. Who knows? It might not be their fault. It could have been like somebody bought one and then returned the junk one and then they shipped it back out. But
yeah, like
this,
to use it. Okay.
And this one's like fully dead. So all the codes are back. We're gonna clear the codes. We're gonna see what happens. But I kind of think that we got a bad cable and it made everything worse.
Oh, great.
It seems worse. We have less codes though, 7 codes instead of 13, so we're about to find out. All right, guys, we ended up taking this one all the way back out because everything in the car stopped working after hooking up the new one that clearly had damaged wires on it. So this one is in terrible shape. Don't really know what happened to it, but I do know that it's definitely not new, even though it was sold as new. So we've got the old one back in here, and now I've got to hook up the connectors from it, and hopefully we can be back in business where at least your windows work, Amber, because I'm sure you probably want those.
Yeah.
Until you can get another one.
Oh.
Maybe a brand new one would have been the move, honestly.
I mean, you would think.
Better than this.
Yeah.
Better than fighting these battles. All right, so now it's hooked back up. Let's see if the doors work again. Hey, that's better than what you had a minute ago.
Yep.
All the windows are back. Hey, but unfortunately, no locks.
Huh, okay.
So, and now I have no code reader either. The code reader has died. What else died? The center stack died.
Oh my gosh. That's the nav. Does my radio not work now either?
I think it's all gone. I think the cable wiped it.
Oh no.
It's probably got a short in it.
You know what? I mean, I'll survive.
Wait. We'll keep your little...
Oh, but it's not...
The screen's dead.
Okay.
Well, we'll,
you know.
we can figure out the fuses here. Or maybe we just need to...
Start the car.
No, I need to look up what fuse is, what fuse powers the accessory circuit, because now we don't have a code reader.
Okay.
Which is kind of surprising. It's not the ECU fuse. Well, this made everything far more interesting. It looks like fuse 32 down here in the driver footwell is the one that's bad, and it says it's a 15 amp, so let's climb in here and see if I can find 32, first of all. Maybe it's 31. That's the 15, but we're about to find out. Oh, this 10's not blown. We're just gonna keep pulling things out of here. All right, I think I found it. We had to give up on the fuse diagram. There it is. One very blown 10 amp fuse.
Oh, wow.
Let's go, I'm gonna grab a new one, throw it in here, and hopefully we get the OBD2 back without dropping the tablet on my head. And your screen should turn back on. I bet it did, because OBD2 just turned on. I can't believe that harness just blew all your fuses. Literally.
Is that what happened then?
Yeah, all I did was plug in the new harness and it wiped out the fuse to OBD2 port.
Okay,
and
we're
screen.
back.
Well, we're back in the same state that you came in.
Yep.
So I guess we'll revisit this after you order another one.
Okay.
But get your money back because you got scammed for sure.
Yeah.
That was a hardcore scam. And you know what? We can't blame that company. Like, there's a good chance somebody return frauded it, you know?
Right.
People love doing that these days. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop WatchJRGo.com for cool shirts, not like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And I will talk to you next time. Well, here you go. Sorry, I thought you'd be back on the road today.
That's okay. We'll just have to order another part and then I'll be back.
Yeah, one without a dead short in it.
Yeah, with still no locks, but I mean, you know, at least my windows work again.
Yeah, we got it back in the same state it was when you started.
Yeah.
So that's something.
Okay, thanks.